Robly Email Marketing Tool Review, Usage Experience. Links to Robly are in the description below. In this video, I'll be reviewing Robly, an email marketing tool designed for small to mid-sized businesses that want higher email open rates, automation, and advanced list management without the complexity of enterprise-level platforms. Robly stands out with its AI-driven automation and unique features like Robly OpenGen and Robly AI, which optimize email delivery timing for better engagement. One of Robly's key selling points is OpenGen, which automatically resends emails to recipients who didn't open them the first time, using a new subject line to improve open rates. This feature is particularly useful for businesses looking to maximize audience reach without manually resending campaigns. Additionally, Robly AI leverages machine learning to analyze user behavior and send emails at the exact time they're most likely to be opened, increasing engagement without extra effort. Robly's drag-and-drop email editor makes it easy to design professional emails, while its responsive templates ensure messages look great on any device. Users can also edit emails in HTML for more customization. List segmentation and automation allow marketers to create highly targeted campaigns based on customer behavior, purchase history, and engagement levels. Drip campaigns and autoresponders help businesses maintain consistent communication with leads and customers. Robly also offers pop-up forms and exit intent technology, making it easy to grow email lists by capturing visitor information before they leave a website. The platform includes detailed analytics, providing insights into open rates, click-through rates, and conversions, allowing for continuous optimization. Deliverability is a strong suit for Robly, ensuring emails land in inboxes instead of spam folders. It integrates with popular CRMs and e-commerce platforms, making it a flexible choice for various business needs. While it may not have as many third-party integrations as some competitors, its focus on AI-driven email marketing and engagement optimization makes it a powerful tool for those looking to improve email performance. If you need a smart, results-driven email marketing solution, Robly is worth considering. Check out the links in the description for more details.